Every country on Earth is broke. Every government owes money. And somehow, everyone is still getting paid. Level 1. The borrower. The screen in front of you shows one number, $320 trillion. You read it 3 times. That number is 3 times more than all the money that physically exists anywhere on the planet right now. So the question that stops you cold, if everyone owes, who exactly is getting paid? Level 2. The ancient trap. Debt is not modern. 5,000 years ago, farmers borrowed grain and promised more back. Trust was the contract. Debts became crushing. Kings canceled them entirely. Debt jubilees, just to keep their civilizations from burning. Level 3. The paper throne. In 1971, one decision erased gold. Money stopped being a thing you could hold. It became a promise instead. You deposit $1,000. You think it sits in a vault. It does not sit anywhere. It moves immediately. Level 4. The circular machine. You pay taxes. The government pays the bank. The bank pays you interest. You pay taxes. The snake devours itself. The creditor leans across the table. The interest always gets paid, he says. Everything else is negotiable. Level 5. The collapse test. Greece stopped playing. Investors fled. The money tap closed. An entire generation watched their future leave on planes. And when COVID arrived, every nation made the same choice. Borrow the unthinkable, or watch everything stop, die. Level 6. The debt colony. You don't need soldiers to take a country. You lend them money they cannot repay. Then you collect what you want. Your pension, your savings account, your insurance, all of it is inside the loop. You are the creditor. You are the debt.